Hello guys, Nixie. Okay, I wanted to show you what this little current transformer that I have set up here is doing, and I'm not sure just what I'm doing here, but I wanted to show you what it does. Okay, so I'm going to turn on the induction circuit, and I want you to watch the yellow trace. I want you to watch the frequency on that if you can. Hopefully my scope doesn't cut out. Okay, here we go. Okay, what's it reading there at the megahertz? It goes on and off, but it's about 3.2. Now that signal is this little gadget here. So that's what I'm getting there. Let's see, I've got 16 or 18 volts, 17 volts, something like that. That's what the little signal, the yellow trace, looks like there. And on the output, I've got 102, it varies all over the place, 224 and so forth. But I've got the duty cycle down, so I don't over-ramp this thing. The feedback circuit's on. It's not really getting enough juice to it right now, but it's on. Let me see if these are getting hot. Yeah, they're getting hot. So, what happens when I turn on the catcher? Let me get away from this coil here. See if I can get up on it again. Okay, so this is the catcher going. Yellow trace again is the current transformer, and the blue is the output of the grenade. So here goes the catcher. That's what it's reading. Frequency is hard for me to read this. Right now it's 1.1. It goes up to 1.19, 1.2. Why it jumps around like that, I don't know. It might have something to do with the feedback circuit. I'm not sure. It's all connected. Anyway, that's what it looks like here on that. Now, if I turn on the induction circuit while this is going, while the catcher is going, this is what it looks like. Okay, they're both on there. And it's going up and down. I could probably tune that somewhat better, but still, that's what it's doing. So anyway, I don't know what to make of all this, and I don't know if it's actually getting me anywhere or not. But when I turn on this induction circuit, I get 3.2 megahertz on this little gadget here. Now one thing you got to keep in mind is the way that I'm measuring this is, one second. The way I'm measuring is with this ground line connected to my, this ground line that was connected here is connected to my red wire here. So I'm connecting it from here to the ground. If I connect this, well, I'll show you. Okay, so I'll turn on the catcher. It's running at 1.2 again. I'm only getting 9 volts out of it like this. So I will connect this up, and you can see that there is no signal on the yellow trace. If I disconnect it, I get the signal back with low voltage, only 9 volts, 10 volts. This is with a ground again, that wire connected. I get a higher voltage, 22 volts at 1.19 megahertz, and the output's 250 or so volts. It varies up and down there. I'm not sure why, but that's what it does. So, okay. Anyway, you can let me know what you think, what I should do. You know, I don't, like I said, it's funny when I turn on the induction circuit, it shows that the ground line's giving me 3.2 megahertz. It's the same thing that I was getting with the other coil. So this is a plastic air coil there, and it's got about 50 turns more or less. I don't remember exactly, but it's got a few turns. Same resistor as I had previously. I wanted to show the same thing. So I'm actually getting probably a little less voltage with this setup than before. But here's the induction circuit again. That's with the induction circuit going. Okay, so that's all I got to say for tonight. Thanks for watching.